Isha Karki, and I'm here to present my Project 1 mst300, which was on Active Directory Domain Services. The whole lab was completed on Cloud Lab account provided by my college, as you can see here. So throughout this video, I will be demonstrating my Azure setup, domain configuration, and at the end, I'll also show you my resource cleanup. So to begin with the project, I started by making a resource group. This is my resource group, and here are all the resources that I created for this project. Let's begin with the virtual networks. I created 3 virtual networks for this project, as you can see in the screen: VNet 1, VNet 2, and VNet 3. Each of them had their own subnet so that they could communicate with each other properly. And VNet 1, I created it for the domain controller and Bastion. VNet 2 for web server, and VNet 3 for client server. As you can see here, like I said previously, the subnets are here: address spaces and peerings. As you can see here, the peering connection shows connected, meaning that the machines can communicate securely with each other. Now moving on to my Bastion host. This is my Bastion host, mst300 Bastion host. I use this as it allows me to securely connect to my Azure portal VM without the need of public IP, which I will be showing you up next by connecting to all my VMs that I have. I have created 3 virtual machines for this project. Let's start with domain controller VM. We'll be connecting it via Bastion. As you can see, the username, this is my as you can see, it's my domain admin credential, and I will be logging in with this to my domain controller VM. So the first thing that pops up is the server manager, and you can see in the local server domain it shows akarki5.mst300.com, akarki5 being my student ID, which means that this computer is joined to the domain. Now moving on to my web server VM, we will be logging it similarly to how we did for the domain controller. So in the web server VM, what I did was I installed IIS through the server manager role, and then I edited this file, so that I edited the title name in the web server VM so that we can identify that it's my website, my setup. And I edited this on with Windows C init pub www root. Now let's move to our client VM, final client VM. This is our client VM credential, and I will be connecting it. It might take some time, but this is my client VM, and as you can see, the first thing it popped up was my Windows server. It's my web browser, which the page loads successfully, and the title and the top shows my student ID. So this confirms that my DNS, IIS, and network configuration are all working correctly end to end. So this was my project, and now that for the time of cleanup, we go to the resource group, click on the resource, and then select all the resources and delete, apply force, and then we delete it. Thank you so much for listening to me. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.